Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nono Ezeibe. What's poppin'? So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the clean girl makeup look. Yeah, that's the look I'm putting on right now. Very subtle, very minimalist, very, I have my life put together kind of look. So yeah, that's that, you guys. If you like to see that, then most definitely keep on watching. I'm also going to be sharing tips and tricks, so you have to just keep on watching, okay my loves? Yes, but before we get into the video, I would like for you guys to subscribe, make up your mind to like, comment, share. You know the drill, my loves. So yeah, with all that being said, let's get right into the video. What I know about this look is that you just have to start with a clean skin, So the first thing, tip number one to achieve the clean girl makeup look is to have clean skin. So this look, I feel like it will work better when you are just coming out of the shower or when you just finished your skincare kind of thing. Point is, you need your skin to be clean and moisturized. So tip number one, clean skin / moisturize your skin, okay my loves? Okay, and tip number two is also to have like a sleek hairdo. So I noticed is that most of the people doing this trend, most of the girls I've seen their video, they always have a hair slicked back, that kind of sleeked basically. So you want your hair to be slicked back in order to achieve this look. So I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. As you can see, I scarfed my hair down. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. I'm using my hair wax, basically my good old hair wax. I'm going to use that to do my edges right now. This sleek hairdo thing gives you a youthful look, helps you look younger and cleaner, so to say. And I think the inspiration for this clean girl look I feel like it was influenced by the model of duty look. To me, this trend is a fusion of the model of duty look and the everyday makeup look / no makeup look. So of course, obviously this is perfect for an everyday makeup look, but then I just feel like the aim of this trend is to just enhance your physical qualities. So you're not like adding much or doing too much, just try to enhance those qualities. Now I'm going to go with my primer. I'm using this primer from Blossom Makeup. I'm going to use my fingers to massage that into my skin. I watched a couple of videos on this look, and most of the people that tried it out, they used their fingers for most of the application of the makeup products they use. So their fingers for their foundation even. But I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this primer just to let it sit into my skin properly. I don't want to use a foundation today, so I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer, and this is from Blossom Makeup. This is a Spotless concealer in the shade Honey 140. I think this is like my exact shade. Sorry, the wand is broken, so this is all that working with. So shameful. But I'm going to make it work. So I'm just going to put this in the areas where I would like my face to be highlighted. So here underneath my eyes, because I notice that sometimes I'm a little bit darker over there. So put some concealer there, not too much like I said earlier. And then I told you guys we need a lifting effect, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer in and up, like trying to snatch my under eye up to Jesus, like that. So yeah. So that's that, baby. I'm just going to put a little bit under here and then on my nose too, because I like to, so and around my nose, because I'm a little bit red here. The point of this is to just, even out my skin. I'm trying to enhance my physical looks, not necessarily change anything about it. So I'm just trying to make myself look like I'm not wearing makeup. So this is like a no makeup look, kind of. That's the kind of vibe I'm getting from this whole thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using my Milani Total Coverage foundation. So yes, I use foundations to contour my face. I know it's a little bit contradictory because I said it's a no foundation makeup look, but is it really contradictory? I don't know. It's just that I use a foundation to contour my face. So I'm going to put this around the areas where my face is a little bit darker, like here. Also for this look, I would like to point out that you might want to use products that are very close to your skin tone. So like you're not doing, it's not like a full glam or something like that. So you want concealers and foundations that are very close to your skin tone, even blush even, that are very natural like. Be as minimalist as possible. So I don't know if I should use my finger for one part just so we see how it looks, but yeah, I think I would do that. I'll use my finger to blend that one part just to see how it looks. Okay, so you guys, I immediately realized that if you want to get that skin-like finish, then you need to combine your fingers with your beauty blender to like make it work, because it was a little bit more difficult to blend out the whole concealer thing with my beauty blender than it was for my fingers. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out that darker foundation I put on earlier. So I'm going to use that to like fill up the many parts of my face. I'm using a brush to blend that out. So yeah, immediately you can see how this foundation just melts into my skin. Well, cause it's like the same shade with my outer part of my face. So before I set my face, I'm going to go ahead and do my nose contour, because I realized that I didn't do that earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose using that same shade of foundation I used earlier. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose tip a little bit more, just so it can really pop. So I'm just going to say tip number 4 is obviously going to be using your fingers for everything, because this look, using my fingers to do everything just makes it look more natural. So going with your finger and then going with a beauty sponge, that's that basically. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my setting powder. I'm going to warm that up at the back of my hands, not too much because I don't want to look too bright, so just a little bit. So I'm just pressing the powder into my skin and I'm looking up so that, you know, I can just get into my crease. Tip number 5 will be to use cream products, as this gives you a more natural sheen and more natural glow. I don't know, it gives you a more natural glow. I want to blush up my face using a lipstick, but like this kind of lipstick, not the other kind. So this way it will just be very subtle under my skin, and I'm doing this before I go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. Warm it up at the back of your hands, just reduce it a little bit so that it's not too much, and then just go ahead and apply that. And then you want to apply this way because you're trying to get the whole lifted look too. This has got to be the most natural looking blush I have ever done in my life, because I can barely even see anything, but it's there. But I can really not see it, but it's there. So yeah, there you have it. Look at that. Just look at that. Very subtle, but it's there. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with that setting powder, but very little of it on the other sides of my face, just very little. Over to powder, I am going to use this powder palette. It's very dirty by the way, forgive me, the girl has been working, you know, really hard in makeup. So now I'm going to set the rest of my face using this powder. I'm going to use a shade very close to my skin tone. I don't know, I will use this. I think I'm going to use these two shades right here. So I'm just going to use those to like set the rest of my face, and that's it. I'm going to use this brown brow pencil, and I sharpened it really well because I would like my brows to be very sharp. And because you're trying to not do too much, you want it to look as if it's your natural brows, but you want it to look very faint and very sharp. So in order to get that kind of look, I think you need a very sharp brow pencil to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and outline my brows following the natural shape. I did not trim my brows or carve it or anything because I don't really believe in that these days. So I just go with what God has given me and work with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows with brow tints from Blossom Makeup. This is their Wow My Brows brow tint in the shade medium. Now I'm going to use a clean spoolie to brush out and blend in that whole product so it looks very natural and seamless. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face using the shade Mocha, this shade, because I feel like it has a warmer undertone compared to Cappuccino, which has like a more ashy tone, and I want my face to be bronzed up. This is not a bronzer, by the way, but it's to help. Tip number 6 will be to use your bronzer as an eyeshadow. So what you want to do is just use the same shade used to bronze up your face and apply it over your eyelids to give it a more natural look. And if you have a cream bronzer, that will be very perfect because it's going to give you that extra shine that will make you look more natural. For my eyes, I'm going to use a brown eyeliner to draw my eyeliner. So like I said, this whole look is supposed to go upwards. So I'm going to wing out my eyes a little bit with a brown liner. I have never actually tried this except this morning when I was prepping for this look. Another tip is to do the whole, is it Kaale or fox eye thing. So in your waterline, you want to, like in your inner tear duct area, you want to outline that. I'm using a black eyeliner for this because I feel like black will really make that side pop. So yeah, so this just basically makes your eyes look more lifted. It helps, I don't know if that makes sense, it just gives you that whole "oh my eyes are slim" kind of vibe. So now I'm going to line my waterline with that same brown eyeliner I used earlier. I'm going to use that to line my waterline. So I'm going to put on my highlight before I set my face. I'm using a very skin tone like highlight. So I like this highlight because it just gives a very minimalist glow. It's not like glowy like blind the eyes glow. It's just very natural. Go ahead and press in that setting spray into your skin. This will just help, you know, seal the deal and make everything blend out more seamlessly. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and I'm going to wipe off the excess lip gloss on my lips from earlier. I'm just going to take that out. Set my lips with a little bit of powder because I noticed that this helps my lip pencil slide, like apply better. So yeah. So you want to use a very nude like you want to get your lip shade almost exactly. So the outer colors on my lip, they are quite darker than the inner part. So that's why I'm going in with this lip liner. So I'm going to blend that out with my hand. I just want it to look very natural because I'm not adding any color to my lips. I'm just going to go ahead and put on lip gloss, clear lip gloss. Good old clear lip gloss. You can never go wrong with it. And yeah, you are done. I'm going to go ahead and change my outfit and I'll be back to see you guys. So yeah guys, there you have it. This is my own take on the clean girl makeup. So yeah, I don't think there's literally anything much to do. Just keep your makeup very simple and very light and try to use more natural colors than you would on a normal day, and just keep everything subtle in order for you to achieve this amazing look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love how subtle the look is. It's giving this boss vibe, boss lady vibe, you know. It's giving I have my life put together. It's giving I'm on the go but I still want to look good. It's giving, you know, I'm that girl. That's the vibe I'm getting from this look. So yeah, if you loved this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down, and also share this video with your friends too. Who knows, you can help a girl too, okay? And yeah, subscribe, okay my loves. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys, peace.